I am going to show you how to add the division symbol in a Google slide today. So let's say I'm going to put 375 and I want to say divided by 5. So I've tapped my 375, then I'm going to go up to Insert, and we're going to go down to Special Characters, and then we're going to go to Arrows, and we're going to look down here for Math and click on Math. And look for our symbol, and there's the division symbol. We click on it, one click on it, and then X out of the special characters, and it puts it right there for me, and then I can finish what I wanted to type. 375 divided by 5 equals something. Okay, so it all starts with Insert, Special Characters, and then you click where it says Arrow and pick Math. Find your symbol, click on it, and then X out of the special characters text box. And there you have it.